Hey, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can build a gaming computer for $300. For our CPU, we're running the Intel Pentium G3258 processor. It has 2 cores and a base clock of 3.2 GHz, but the good thing about this processor is that it's very overclockable even with the stock cooler and not the most expensive motherboard. For the graphics card, we're running the Radeon RX 460. It has a memory speed of 7000 MHz and 2 GB of memory, and in my opinion, it is the best graphics card you can get for under $100. For the power supply, we're running the EVGA 430W1. It is 80+ certified and has a 3-year warranty, so if anything ever goes wrong, you can always get it replaced. And in my opinion, this is absolutely an incredible deal for a power supply, for it only costing around $30 on Amazon. For the motherboard, we're running the MSI Intel H1Z1and E33. It is a micro ATX motherboard, but it's easy to overclock with, and it has plenty of ports and slots just like any other motherboard would, which is really nice. For the memory, we're using the Kingston HyperX Fury. In this build, we'll be using 2 sticks of the 4 GB, which in total will be 8 GB, to take advantage of the dual channel capabilities. It is clocked at 1600 MHz, but has the interesting ability to be able to overclock all by itself based on your needs without you having to do anything. For the storage, we're running the Western Digital Caviar Blue. In this build, we'll be using the 320 GB model, which isn't a huge amount of storage, but for a $300 build, this is perfect. It runs at 7200 RPM, which is just fine, and the thing I like about Western Digital's hard drives is they're reliable and they're cheap, which is exactly what we're looking for in this kind of build. For the case, we're running the Xeon Performance Micro ATX case. It has support for USB 3.0, it fits large graphics cards, and has a spot for an SSD. I really like how it has that matte black and the blue finish to it. It makes it look really nice, and it really stands out to me. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. The only thing I have left to say is that depending on what's in stock and so forth, that this price could go up or down, just depending on what it is. So please keep that in mind. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you guys next time.